4, there is yes, instruction related to bonus practice assignment. There is timing from after I think 1 minute onwards. There is instruction related to this. And in week 6, you have two practice assignments. Okay, I mean total 3, but 2 EMQ based, and there is 2 graded assignment. One is normal one, I mean MCQ, MSQ, NAT type of things, and another one is related to the EMQ. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any one of you who have doubt regarding, I mean, week 5 activity practice, so you can ask. And you got the concept of week 5, I mean, counting principle, multiplication principle, and all things. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, I'm
Just
asking
join.
you got the concept of counting principle, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Shruti, you has raised hands. Tell me what is your
So my doubt is in tutorial 1, week 5, tutorial 1.
tutorial. Okay, where is this? One second. Okay, what is out?
Sir, I'm not clear on how we are getting to that answer.
Okay, one second. Let me read the question. In a building, 6 men and 4 women are staying. You know there are exactly 3 married couples. In how many ways you can guess who the couples are? Okay, see, 6 men. Okay. There are total 6 men, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can say, like, suppose I can say M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, and M6, right? 3 women is there, right?
4.
That means, oh, sorry, 4. That means W1, W2, W3, W4. That's it. Okay.
Yes.
And what was the next question? You know there are exactly 3 married couples. Okay. Then we have to find the I mean number of ways who the couples are. Okay. See, we know there are exactly 3 couples. That means for couples there should be 1 woman and 1 man, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, for being the 3, let's see, there are 4 women in total. Okay, then let's make the pair of, I mean 3 women. That's it. How many pairs will be? How many combination will be 3 of out of 4? See, it can be W1, W2,
12.
right?
12 combination.
No.
4 combination.
4. It will be 4. Now it will be W1, W3, W4, right? And it can be W1 and W2 and W4, right? And another one is, you can say W2, W3, W4. These are the possible pairs.
Yes, sir.
Got it, Shrutika?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now,
Sir, can you please explain that line once?
this one.
Yes, sir.
Actually, in the question, it is given that there are 6 men and 4 women. Okay, this is actually question of tutorial 1, and we have to find the number of ways, I mean, who the couples are, and we know there are exactly 3 married couples. So
Yes.
let's make the pair of 3 women. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
okay.
we know there are 4 possible pairs of 3 women, right? Now, let's take the first pair. So for the first one, at the, see, there are 3 women, first place, second place, third place. Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir.
you have W1, W2, W3. Okay. So for this women, how many how many ways are there for I mean being couple?
6.
6, right?
Mm,
And
6,
for the second woman, it
5.
5
5.
left.
And for third woman, it's
4.
4.
that means for the first pair, how many ways are there? 520, 120,
Okay. Yes.
right? This is for the first pair. Similarly, for the second pair, you have again 120.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
These are the possible pairs.
Sir, can you repeat it, sir? I just lost it for a while, sir. W1 for 6 and W2 for 5.
5, because see, this is the first woman. Okay. For the first woman and for being couple, she has 6 options, right?
So
And
6
for the-
options. How, sir? 6 options?
In the question, it is given that there
Oh,
are
okay, okay.
6.
6. Yeah. Got
Okay.
it. Hmm.
Okay. See, question is the tutorial one. Yeah. So see, Sutika, this is for the first pair, right? Similarly, let's check W1, W3, W4. Okay. Suppose you have W1, W3, W4. For the W1, how many ways you have? 6. For the W3, how many ways you will have? 4 or 5. And for W4, so it's again 120, right? So similarly, you have 4 times 120, right? That means 120 for this pair, 120 for this pair, 120 for this pair, and 120 for this pair. So by addition rule, it will become 4 into 4 times 120. That means 480, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can proceed with the main combination. I mean, instead of taking women combination, so out of 6 men, if you know the combination things, how many combination we can make of the 3? 63.
15.
That means it will be around
15.
it will be 6, 5, 4 into 3. Yeah, 20 combination will be there. Okay. Okay. So for main, you have 20 combination like M1, M2, M3, M1, M3, M4, and so on. You have 20 combination, right? See, suppose I'm taking the pair of first one, one possible pair, M1, M2, M3. So for the first main, how many possible ways is, for being couple are? 4.
4.
Because there are only 4 women. Okay. Right, Sujika?
Yes.
For M2, it will be 3. For M3, it will be 2. Then how many ways are there? 4 into 3 into 2. So it will be 24. So 24 ways for first possible pair. Okay. And you have in total 20 possible pair. So for 20 possible pair, it will be 24 into 20. That means 480. So it's the same as the this one. Got the concept?
Yes.
Can we do something like
Hello?
63 into 4 factorial or something like that?
Yeah, see, that is the another thing we can do. But what is the issue? We are, we are consider only counting principle in week 5. That's why we are counting and adding, multiply the things. Okay.
Sir, practice assignment 245.
Okay, I will come. Let's go one by one. Okay, there are agents. Okay. Next one is Salja. Salja, if I'm not.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can you
please.
hear me?
What is
Yeah.
it?
Activity question 3 and 4. First one.
Activity 5.1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, so can you tell me what was your approach for the third question?
So the combination of 4 shirts and 5 pants and 1 sweater.
Mm-hmm.
So 4 shirts can be combined with 4 pants
Mm-hmm.
and 1 more sweater.
Mm-hmm.
So 4 fours, 16. Like that. I didn't get it.
See, what is the question? Rohan packed 4 shirts, 5 pants, and a sweater for the school trip, right? And he will need to choose a shirt and a pant for each outfit and decide whether to wear the sweater. Okay. Find the total number of possible outfits. There are 4 shirts and 5 pants. See, Rohan has 4 shirts, right?
Yeah.
And 5 pants.
Okay.
And 1 sweater, right?
Yeah.
And he need 1 shirt and 1 pant for each outfit. Okay, suppose for each outfit, how many possible how many ways will be there? He can wear
4.
any 4 shirt, right?
Yeah.
And he can wear any 5 pants, right?
Yeah.
That means there are 20 ways.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see. There are one option is there, one sweater. See, first case is there. Suppose he does not wear the sweater. Okay, then how many ways will be there? Only shirt
20.
and pant. That means 20 ways. Okay.
Yeah.
Another, when he wear the sweater, that means shirt, number of ways for shirt, number of ways for pant, and number of ways for the sweater. Again, it will be
Okay.
20. Okay, so
Got it.
total possible outfit will be 20 plus 20. That
40.
means
40
40 ways.
ways.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And fourth one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, how many ways can a number choose? 1 to 2 multiple of. Okay. So can you tell me what is how the multiple of 2 between 1 to 20?
10.
10. Okay.
Yeah.
There are 10. I mean, it will be table of 2, right? If you will
Yeah.
find it 20 by 2, that means 10. And for multiple of 3,
6.
18 divided by 3,
18.
that means 6.
Yeah.
There are 16. But there are some numbers which are common. I mean, which are
Okay.
multiple of 2 and 3 both. Okay.
Yeah.
What are those numbers?
18.
6,
18.
6, 12, 18,
6, 12, 18.
18.
18.
Yes,
That means 16
3.
minus. That
3.
means you have in total
Yeah.
13 ways. Got it?
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
So
I have a doubt.
yes, please.
Sir, the previous question.
In this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I did only the second one, 4 into 5 into 1.
Mm-hmm.
The question is not very indicative of whether he is
No.
wearing the sweater or not.
See, what is the key? He decides whether to wear the sweater. It's not mentioned for each output. He has to wear a pant, a shirt, and a sweater. For each outfit, he need to choose a shirt and pant. After that, he decides whether to wear the sweater or not.
That's sort of optional.
Yeah, that's why there are ways for without sweater and one ways for with sweater.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So after Selja,
But sir, after we will get 20, right? How we get the 40 for this? Because I got also 20 answer, but not 40.
see, 20 ways for the case when he did not wear the sweater, right?
Okay.
And suppose he decide to wear the sweater, then he has one way for the sweater
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
5 ways for the pants and 4 ways for the shirt. Again, you multiply, then you will get the 20 ways. Okay.
So we just add them to both are 20, 20, it will be 40.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So there's a one more question in, I think, practice assignment, the ratio one, because it's not a clear and the proper, I have confusion in that too.
Ratio.
Ratio one, just a whole second, I just let you know.
Okay, okay, you can search it up. Till then, we are going one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Just search
No
it and tell me the question. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. After
Sir?
you, yes, please.
Sir, there is one more doubt. Can you explain 0 factorial? How is it 1?
Yeah, actually, what in the by you can say 0. Suppose you have 0 things. Okay.
Yeah.
Just assume. Then in how many ways you can arrange it?
Only 1.
There is only one way in which you can arrange no things like such kind of things. Okay. So that is the
We
meaning of
don't
0
have
factorial.
anything. We don't have anything, so why would we arrange it?
Factorial
Okay, then.
represents how many types we can representing.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, can you say what is fair coin and fair die?
See, fair coins means not unbiasedness kind of things. Okay. Unbiasedness means suppose you have a coin that coin is fair. That means if you toss, there is equal probability of getting head as well as getting tail. unfair coin means suppose there are some biasness and you toss the coins and all the times you are getting head or all the times you are getting tail kind of things. Okay. And fair die means there is equal probability of getting each outcome. 1/6 probability for one outcome, 1/6 for the two, 1/6 for the three, and so on. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And in practice assignment, in the fourth question, practice
Okay,
assignment,
practice assignment. I think question
fourth
might be
question.
different. Just see the question and tell me which one is. This one is fourth one.
No, sir.
This one. One second. See, you know, na, after each refresh, you will get the different set of questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just see the question. Which one is there?
So for
Can
me,
you-
question number 1 from the practice assignment. Sir, it's not
This
the
one?
same. No, it's not the same. I have a different one.
Yeah. Actually, everyone has different question. After each refresh, you will get new set of the question. Let me
In that,
refresh.
they are saying that the find the ratio of the number of 3-digit number, all digit being even, whose digit either increase or decrease from
Okay,
left to right.
Okay, Selja, can you put the question on chat?
Okay.
Okay. Actually, it's
The question
So I
number
think that,
is assignment.
this one.
yes,
So
sir.
In a multiple select question containing 4 options, more than one option could be correct. Okay. What are the total number of possible ways in which a student can select the answer to multiple select? Assume at least one option. Okay. See, multiple select question. Okay. And how many? 4 options is there. Okay. Right.
Yes.
Suppose options are like suppose first option, second option, third option, and fourth. Okay. In the question, it has asking about we have to find the number of possible ways in which a student can select the answer to the multiple select question, right? So tell me, for the first option, how many ways you have?
4.
No. For the first option, see, in multiple select question, you have 4 options: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Yeah.
To select the one option, how many ways you have? 2 ways.
One,
2
sir.
ways for what?
Yeah,
No.
sir.
2 ways. Either you can select that option or not.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
For the second option, it's just it will again 2 ways.
Yeah.
Okay. For the third one, again 2 ways, and for the fourth one, again 2 ways. Right.
Yeah.
See, for each option, you have 2 options. Either you can select or not select that option. Either you can select the second option or not select the option. Either you can select the third option or not select that option. Either you can select the last option
Okay.
or not select the option. Right? Now, for each one. So, and read the question. What is there? A student can select the answer to the multiple select question. Okay. Then how many ways will be there? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 16.
Yeah.
Right? But
Yeah.
there is another case. There is one way when a student not select any option.
Yeah.
Got it? I mean, there is chance like
Yeah.
he does not select the first option. Okay. So this one way
Sir,
we
this
have to
option
minus
will
from total one. Got it?
Yeah. Got it.
Because if you see in the last question, it is asking, assume that students select at least one option. That means he has to select at least one option. That means we have to remove the way in which he does not select any option.
Okay. 0 or 1.
Yeah. So, sir,
Yes.
I approach this problem in a different way. So, what I do first is I found that how many ways I can select the 4 options. There is only one way. I can select that. Okay. In the second position, I take that. But how many ways I am can select the 3 options. Then third, I are 2 options, and in the fourth, I take the 1 option.
Yeah. See.
Add it.
Yeah. See, for the selecting the first option, you have 4 ways, right?
No. So no. I what I did, I just write it 4C4.
I got your concept. You did 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4, and add all the things, right? But yeah, why I'm doing the counting principle? Because in week 5, you must know how you can use the counting principle. That's why we are doing such like that. Okay. This, if you know the combination, this one is the also good approach. Okay. Got it? It's clear, Selja?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If someone has okay. What is the find the ratio of the number of 3-digit numbers, all digits being even, whose digits either increase or decrease from left to right, okay, to the number of 3-digit numbers, all digits being or increase or decrease from right to, okay. Okay, so who has asked this one?
I have asked that one.
Okay, so can you tell me what was your approach initially?
Sir, even I could not understand because in examples it didn't show that how we can find out the ratio for this. So
Okay,
I didn't idea that even though.
Okay, see, you have to find the ratio of the number of 3-digit numbers, okay, all digits being even, whose digits either increase or decrease from left to right. Okay, now let's we have to consider even number of 3 digits which increase from left to right or decrease from left to right. Okay, now suppose you have digits from 0 to 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, right? So how many even numbers are there? 0 2 4 6 and 8.
6 8.
Odd numbers are 1 3 5 7 and 9, right? Now so let's make increase from left to right. Okay,
left to right. Okay,
now how many number can be there? It can be 2 4 6.
4 6.
If you see, it's increased from left to right, 2 then 4 then 6, right?
Then 6, yeah.
Next number can be 2 4 8.
Yes.
Next number can be 2 6 8.
2 6 8.
Another can be 4 6 8. Okay,
okay.
Another number can be 2 4 0, but it's not increasing in from left to right. Okay, and next we have to consider decreasing from left to right.
Left to right.
Okay, that means reverse of these things
8.
as well.
We can
8,
put 8 first. 8
8 6 4, 8 6 2.
Yeah.
8 6 0 also.
0 we can consider because in a first set we didn't consider the 0.
See, in the first set, why we did not consider? Suppose you consider 204. It's not after 2, 0 is decreasing, not increasing from left to right. Got it? Why we are not we are not considering the 0 here? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are writing 240, then 2 from left to right. If you go till 4, it's increasing.
Okay, we are not decreasing.
Okay, till 4 it's increasing, but 0 it's decreasing. We have to consider only that number which are increasing from left to right.
Left to right.
Okay. Similarly, for the decreasing one, it's 860.
Right to left.
842 can be there. Okay, 840 can be there. And what's next? 820, right? Tell me if any number by me. 640 can be there. 620 can be there. 420 can be there. I think it's sufficient. That is the right. Okay, then how many numbers are there? From this to this, 4 is this and 10 is this. Okay, there are total 14 numbers, right? which are increasing from left to right or decreasing from left to right. Got it?
The counting, we are counting as a set like a 1, 2, 3, 4, or we have
Yes,
counting.
yes. And in the, if you see, it's right, it has written in the question already. We have to consider 3-digit number, all digits being given, whose digits either increase, that means this 4, or decrease, that means this 10, right? See,
Okay, sir. Yes.
when in the counting principle, when there are AND operation, that means you have to do N1 into N2, right? Here, if you have OR operation, then you have to do N1 plus N2.
Right.
You know, that means you have to do these things or this 10. That means 14 numbers even. Similarly, you can make the numbers, possible numbers for the odd digits and just find the ratio of these things. Suppose this is the 14 and odd one is around what? Suppose for odd one it's let's A. So you have to find 14 by A. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Similarly, just try for the odd one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In odd one, you have to I mean, be careful. In odd one, it's asking about 2. And what was that?
Okay.
All that is increase from decrease from right to left. Here you are considering left to right.
Left to right.
And there you have to consider right to left. That means decreasing means you can consider 975. Okay.
Okay.
And increasing right to left means suppose
1,
I'm
2,
writing
3,
135.
1,
Okay.
3, 5. Yeah.
This is right to left is increasing. Oh, sorry, decreasing.
Decreasing.
Okay.
Okay.
Just count that number and divide by what is your A you are getting. Right?
Okay, sir. Thank you. So today we receive, I have received, I don't know about the others, that there's about the state that there's a negative marking has been announced for the practice something.
Yeah, that's why I'm today I announced in beginning of this session. In week 6, you have 2 practice assignment regarding EMQ and one practice, one graded assignment related to the EMQ and the grading pattern and all things. You got the notification regarding that. And for the clarification, I mean, how to submit the EMQ things, how to make text file. There is in week 4, there is instruction related to bonus practice assignment. So from after I think initial 1 minute, you can see the how to submit and all things and submit the EMQ. I mean, all graded one before the due line, because when you attempted the EMQ, you will get more clear idea about permutation and combination, when to use permutation, when to use combination and all.
So sir, same will apply for the graded assignment too. Negative marking.
Yes. It's you got the notification where see, in EMQ you have
EMQ 2 second. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So Sukanya has raised hand.
I'm sorry, where is this notification? Has it come on the mail or something? I'm sorry.
Mail, you got the mail? Or,
Yes, sir. I have got the mail. I have received.
Yeah, everyone.
Okay. I'll just check. Thank you, sir.
So negative marking for graded assignment also from now onwards.
No. See, Akash Pandey quiz 2, there will be no quiz 2 will not be negative marking. Yeah, negative marking is only for graded. I mean EMQ graded. Okay, and you got just read the notification. There is a whole description how to attempt. I mean, what is the criteria for negative marking? Okay.
So I have one more question. Just I want to go.
And from here, see. From here, please click here to know about the grading pattern of EMQ. From here, you can, I mean, know what is the criteria for negative marking and all. Okay. Yeah. Yes, please. What?
Yes, sir. I have one more doubt that if I want to just choose a 2 subject like a stats or English, so still I have to continue with the mathematics and the English CT also.
In this is current term.
Yeah, current session.
Okay, you can. I think you can proceed. And for more clarification, I think you can mail to support team regarding that. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Sukanya, do you have any doubt?
Sir, in the same question you just described, I just had one doubt.
Which one?
This is the counting one, counting the
Yes,
digits.
yes, okay.
Except for this method, like writing every number, is there any other method also through which we can do?
Actually, in these things, I think you have to write manually because there is condition you have to consider only that number which are increasing left to right. It's
Yes.
not asking about in general. Okay.
Yes.
So we have to, I think we have to write those because we have to consider only those numbers which are increasing left to right, which are decreasing left to right.
Yes. Yes.
So here, what did you write? Like for 14 by A, what does this A means?
See, I think you did not read the question. Question is like, we have to find the ratio of numbers which are okay for even, which are increasing from left to right, decreasing from left to right, and odd numbers we have to we have to find. What was the question? Yeah, question is this one, and you have to find the, if you see, you have to find the ratio of the number of 3 digits, okay, for the all digits being even and all digits being odd. Okay, so I just calculated for the even, which are coming out to be 14. I did not calculate for the odd one. Suppose after I think writing odd one numbers, you got the a number of ways is there, then you have to find the ratio of these two numbers. That's it. Okay, a is some number. It can after writing all the numbers, you have to count, and whatever value of a will be, you have to put and calculate the ratio. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
And 5.2, 5.2, 2 and 4, like not the practice one.
5.2, question number 2 and question number 2.
Yes.
Question number 2. Okay, so in second question, what is that? Just direct.
Like here, mine is like n-1 of both numerator and denominator. It's got like cancelled off. Then so only n-2 was there.
Which one is the correct option? First one?
No.
Yes, sir. First
Yes,
one
sir.
is the
First
correct.
one is the correct
First
option.
one. First, see, you know, suppose you have n factorial, I can write it n into n minus 1 factorial.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
You know, similarly, you have n minus 2 factorial, right?
Yeah.
Suppose you have n minus 1 factorial. So can I write n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial? These things. What is this? N factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay. So see, you have n minus 1 factorial. So can I write n minus 1 into n minus 1 minus 1 factorial? See, this factorial, this quantity into less than 1 quantity, this quantity into less than this 1. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you write it, it will become n minus 2 factorial.
Yes, yes.
So this n minus 2 will be cancelled out this n minus 2.
Okay.
Okay. So you have only 1 by n minus. Got
1.
it?
Yeah, I got it.
Now, what is the fourth one? Suppose you have 6 balls. Each ball has a number marked on. You also have 6 slots that you have to fill with the balls. How many different ways you can fill this slot? 6 factorial.
That
Okay.
means 6 now.
Sorry?
No. Yeah, like somehow
See, suppose you have 6 slots. Okay.
Yes.
Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5. Okay. And you have 6 different balls. Okay. Now, in first slot, how many ways to fill this by ball? 6.
6 balls.
And in second slot, how
5.
ball you can? In third?
4.
In fourth?
2 and 1.
And in last slot 1. So what is this? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is the, I think, what will be this? 720, which is the 6 factorial.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yeah. And
Yes.
Let her complete the question. After that, I have one.
Yes. That's why. Yeah. Yes, Sukanya.
yeah, like in practice assignment, I also have that 2, 4, 5, but I think the questions are different now because those I practiced, it was not the same.
Actually, after each refresh, you will get a different set of questions. Okay, so if you see my screen, so if question are matching there, then you can tell me.
No, these are not.
Okay, let me do one refresh.
Oh yeah, now it's like 2 question number.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah, I have explained just 5 to 10 minutes before. This one, ratio of this.
Not this one, I think. This one?
Find the ratio of, you are saying this second number.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, right. You explained it.
Okay.
Yeah. And 4 question number.
This one?
Yes.
This one is fourth one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what are the number of ways in which 8-digit alphanumeric password can be formed, in which the first digit is an uppercase alphabet, next 2 digits are numbers, and the remaining 5 digits can be either lower or okay, and repetition is allowed. Okay, 8 alphanumeric we have to make. Okay, see, we have to make 8 alphanumeric password, right? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In the question, it is saying that first digit is an uppercase alphabet. Okay, so
Yes.
uppercase alphabet, how many uppercase alphabets are there? 26. Okay.
Yes.
So for the first digit, you have 26 way.
Right.
And read, next 2 digits are numbers. Okay.
Yeah.
Next 2 digits are numbers. That means these are the numbers, these are the numbers. Okay. And in the last, it is mentioned that repetition of alphabets and numbers is allowed. That means I can use any 10 numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. That means for the second place, I have 10 ways. And for the third place, again, I have 10 ways.
Yes.
Right? Because I can use any of the numbers between 0 to 9. Right? Now, the remaining 5 digits can be either lowercase or uppercase. Okay. So either how many uppercase alphabets are there? 26. How many lowercase are? 26. So total 52 we have, right?
Yeah.
So for the remaining 5 place, I have again 52 ways for this place, since repetition is allowed. So I can again use the same letter. That means any of the 52.
Yes.
Again any of the 52. Again any one of the 52. So
yes.
just multiplied this one. This is your answer.
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
In the answer, yeah, there is not like 52. So you can split like 26 into 2, 26 into 2, 26 into 2, 26 into 2, 26 into 2. Okay. Then you have 26 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5, 6. So it will become 26 report 6 and 10 is 2 times.
Yes.
And 2 is 5 times. Okay.
So
I think
second
option is the correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
And question number 5.
This one?
Yes.
See, this is the just with repetition concept. What is the, I mean, just tell me, what was your approach?
It was not the same, but I think.
See, what is the question? You will tell me. There are 250 MLAs, out of which chief minister and the home minister of a state needs to be elected, right? An MLA can hold both chief minister and the home minister posts at the same time. That means with repetition.
Yes.
I mean, a person, a single MLA can hold both the position. If it's without repetition, then it will like an MLA can hold only the either the chief minister position or home minister position, but it's mentioned that he can hold both position, right? What are the total number of possible ways in which both minister post can be filled? Okay, see, there are 250 MLAs in total, right?
Right.
Any one of these 250 MLA can be CM, I mean chief minister, and can be home minister.
Yes.
In the question, it is mentioned that an MLA can hold both positions, right? So,
Yeah.
for being CM, I mean chief minister, number of ways is how many there? 250.
50, yeah.
Because any one of the 250 MLA can be the CM.
Yes.
And for being home minister, how many number of ways there?
250.
250. Because an MLA can hold both positions, CM and HM. Okay. Now,
yes.
In the question, it is asking about what are the total number of ways in which both minister posts can be filled. So, what will be the total number of ways?
500.
No. In the question, what is asking? Number of ways in which both minister posts. I'm not asking about either CM minister post or HM minister post. No, it is asking about CM post and
250 raised
yes.
250 into
So it will
250.
be multiplication rule 250 into 250. It will be 250
raised to. Okay.
But
Yes,
why
yes.
I'm using the multiplication rule?
Yes, yes.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Okay, after you, Amitabh Bhattacharya. Yes, Amitabh. Hello. I think he's not.
No, no, no. I am here.
Okay, please.
But I have a doubt on the 6.1 week. So can I ask this question?
No. See, this is week 5 open session.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
you can
okay.
put it on discussion discourse. No worry about. Let's discuss.
So
week
actually, I have already put that in the discussion forum. So some question answer I got. So already that is replied, but still I have some small doubt. So that is not answered.
What was that?
So question number activity 1, last questions in 6.1.
What was the question?
Go to the 6.1. Last question, 6.1. Yeah, last questions. Last one. So in how many ways 5 distinct books can arrange in a book sale? Okay, so I got the answer. So the only thing is that here it is assuming that it is an vertical book shelf, not the horizontal book shelf.
What is the issue of vertical and horizontal?
Okay, so sir, draw one book shelf. I will show you.
Okay, so can
so
we discuss?
Yeah, you can discuss later. Okay.
Okay, we can because it's. I mean, there is session for week 6 also. So let's do it and if you put it on discussion discourse, we will.
So that is already answered. So I have a small doubt that I would like to say. So it's okay. Okay, I understand that.
Okay. So anybody else who has doubt?
Sir, one basic question in practice assignment, some questions seems to be confusing. So is that a conceptual error? We have to go through concept again, or is that the lack of practice?
You can say both.
Okay. Okay. Because or and is clear.
Yeah,
but
or and
some
clear.
questions are
because see, when you are doing the counting principle and using permutation and combination, someone has put the question of Salya. So in permutation combination, you have to, you have to consider all the possible cases. If you are suppose by chance you are you missed any of the cases, then you will get the wrong answer. Okay. So in permutation combination, try to think. First, you have to think what are the possible cases. Then you must clear about when to use multiplication rule and when to use addition. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Selja, I think she has.
Yes, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. I'm saying you have posted this question, right?
Yes, sir.
There are 45 games in total in the IPL 2020. Many teams took part in the competition, and each of them must play once with the other teams in how. Okay, so can you tell me what was your first approach to this? Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
Half of them would be playing because for one match,
Mhm.
two teams are there. So
Okay.
two teams would be counted for one match.
Mm-hmm.
There were 45 games.
Mm-hmm.
So two, then they will decrease. Is that the way?
Okay, anyone? I mean, anyone wants to do it?
Can I?
Yes, please.
So there are 8 teams, right? The first team will play 7 other teams. Second team will play 6 other teams. The third team will play 4 other teams. Sorry, 5 other teams. So it will be 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1.
Let's see.
Sir, but we wouldn't
There.
know how many games.
Okay, okay,
No,
okay. See.
that is
Shiva,
n into n minus
Shiva,
1.
how
Okay.
did you find that there are ratings?
No, so
One
it's let's say it is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. That's the formula for the number of matches.
Like, how did you get that formula?
One
didn't
second,
get it.
one second. Okay.
I
Just
forgot.
let.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's have.
Yeah, let's go. Suppose we have 3 teams. Okay. A, B, and C. So, and you have, suppose, how many possible, I mean, team will be there for a match? It can be AB, it can be AC, and it can be BC. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, match can be between C. If you are saying match is between B and A, so it's same as AB. B is between C and A. Vedika. Yes. So, and suppose match is between C and B, same as match between B and C. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
so for the 3 team, see, first, if you make the possible pair of 2, you initially you will have 6, right? A, B, B, A, AC, C, A, B, C, C, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Initially, you will have this 6 pair, right?
Yes,
But,
we will have.
but this is the same as this one, this is the same as this one, this is the same. This is the same as this one. Okay. Then can I write this one for the first? Suppose this is the first one and this is the second one. Okay.
Okay.
So for the first one, how many teams can be there for playing? 3
teams.
And for the second one, how many can play?
2.
2. It's a 6. But if you see half cases is same, right?
Yeah.
That means divide by
2. Okay.
Initially you had 6 cases, right? And but the 3 cases are same. Half of the cases were same. You have to consider that only these things, right? Okay. So you have 3 matches, 3 games, right?
Got
So
it. Yeah.
for the n teams, you will have n into n minus 1 divided by 2 equal to 45 games. And just solve it, you will get the correct answer.
Yeah, got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
It's clear,
Thank
everyone?
you. Yeah.
Sir, can you explain that once again, sir, please?
So that last I just mentioned.
Okay, see. Initially, suppose, yeah, please mute. Yeah, suppose you have 3 teams. Okay. we have to find how many games will be there between these three teams. So for a single game, there should be two teams. I mean, we have to find the pair of two teams, right? That means
Yes, sir.
how many pair can be? AB, AC, BC, BA, CA, or CB. See, these six are the possible pairs of these three, right? That means 6 game can be there. But if you see, if AB are playing or BA are playing, these are the same. AC are playing or CA are playing, that is the same. BC are playing or CB are playing, these are the same. That means divide by 2. Half cases are same.
Yes, sir.
Right? That's why we are doing the divide by 2. Okay? These things is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now,
Yes, sir. Yes.
okay, see, suppose, let it be. Suppose you have, see, for being a single cricket match, there should be two things. Okay? Okay? Two team, right? So for the first place, how many team will be there? How many team will be there?
Can you repeat that question?
3.
See, I'm saying for playing a cricket match, there should be two things. I mean, two team, right? You can consider as this is the first one and this is the second team. Okay, there should be two team for playing a cricket match, right?
Yeah.
Suppose for these three teams, what is the number of ways which can be the first team?
Three. Yeah, 3 and 2, I get it.
And for the second, any two can be there.
2.
Yes, 2.
But if you see, there are cases which are repeating, right? So we can do divide by 2.
Okay.
Because half of the cases are repeating, if you see, for the single things.
Okay, I get it.
Got it or not?
Yeah, yes, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So for
you
the
just
three
expanded
matches,
the 6 by 2 into 3 into 2 by 2. It's like that kind of.
yes. See, for the three matches, okay, I mean three teams, you had initially how many pairs? AB, AC, BC, and it can be BA, CA, CB, okay. But if you see, these three are repeating, okay. Initially you had 3 into 2. See, half of the things are repeated. For find the unique unique team, you have to divide by 2. You are getting my point or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
Getting? For the three
Yes,
teams,
sir.
initially, how many possible pairs are there? 6, right? In those
It
6
means like
pairs,
basically took the number of permutations which are possible and divided by 2 because the half are already repeating.
yeah,
Right.
half of repeating, because AB is playing or BA is playing is the same. AC is playing or team CA is playing is same. BC is playing is same as the CB, right? That's why we
Now
are
the
dividing
formula
by
is
2.
clear, sir. N 10 minus
Yes.
1 by 2. Now
So
it's,
see, this is for the only 3 teams. So for n teams, how many things will be there? N into n minus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 45. After solving, you will get the value of n.
10.
Whatever it
It
will
means,
be.
it means, sir, if there are 4 teams, A, B, C, D, it means A will play matches with B, C, and D. B will play C, D, and A.
Yes. Suppose you have
Such
4
type of
teams,
combination.
A, B, C, and D. Okay. Then for 4C2, you will become you will make the 6 possible pairs. Suppose initially,
Yes, sir.
how many possible? It should be AB, AC, AD. It can be BC, BD. It can be CD. Okay. Now it can also BA, CA, DA, CB, DB, and DC. Right? See, let it be. These are the total 12 pairs.
Yes, sir. My
But
point
if
is
this
that sir, in four players, each player play with other 3 players. Each player play matches with other 3 players. 4
That's
into 3. Yes, sir. Similarly, if there are n players, then n players plays matches with n into n minus 1 match.
n
They
into
will
n
play n
minus
into
1.
n minus 1 matches.
Pi
But these
divide 2.
also, yes, sir.
Yes.
These also include cases AB and BA type of cases,
BA.
similar
Yes,
cases.
yes. That's why
If
we are
A
divided by
or
2.
B and A are the same. That's why we are divided
by 2. That's it.
Sir, I have
Yes,
a
please.
question. Can I ask? Can I ask?
Yes. Yes,
Actually,
please.
sir, there is a pair, right? If let's say if there is a single thing like 4 people, how many ways can they be sit in the chair? So in this situation, same formula will work, no?
Can you repeat?
Actually, the question that you have solved recently, it was about pair. So let's say there are 4 people A, B, C, D. So how many ways, and there are, let's say, 4 chairs. So how many ways they can be arranged, they can be sit in this thing. So the same formula work or not? That's what
No,
I'm
no,
asking.
that is another thing. See, for air, for the first chair, how many people can sit? 4.
4.
For the second chair, any of the 3 people can sit.
3 and 2
And for
1,
the third,
right?
2 1. That is the 4 factorial. Okay. And
Okay,
here
okay.
it was like how many games can be there. You have n teams. Okay. Right. And for the first things, n team can be there. For
Right,
playing cricket, there should be 2 teams. And for the second place, there should be n minus 1.
right, sir. Right. So it's
Right?
about pair, right, right.
Yeah. And see, things are repeating. That's why we are dividing by 2. That's it.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so Sukanya again has raised hand.
No, sir. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
okay.
I lower
Okay,
down
okay. Okay, okay. Siva, do you have any question? Hello. Am I audible? Okay, Siva is not asking. Yeah, anyone?
No, I am here. Can I ask the question?
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, please. Yes, please.
So the earlier example you gave, right? There were 6 position and 6 balls. Instead of that, if there were only 4 positions, what would be the correct way to calculate be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3?
6 people.
No, there was a question you discussed about 6 balls and 6 positions slots.
Okay, okay, yes, okay.
Okay, instead of 6 slots, if there were only let's say 4 slots, would the answer be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3?
That's it. Yes.
Okay, just
because
okay,
see, in that it was asking you have 4 slots, right?
Yeah.
And you have 6 balls, and
Yeah.
you have to fill this box in this slot. Then just think, for the first slot, how many ways you can fill the
6
ball?
ways.
For the second one, how many?
5.
For the third one, how many?
4.
For the fourth one, how many?
3.
That's it.
Okay. So I was thinking about.
If there would be some 7 slots, then for 6 balls, then how do we approach?
Okay, just tell me. You will tell me how will you. Suppose you have 7 slots. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then for first one, you have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. One slot will be empty. That means 6 factorial, right? Again, let's assume 6, 5, 4, 3. It can possible second slot is 4, 2. Suppose fifth slot is blank and last slot is filled out. Okay. Then you will have 6 factorial.
Will it be 7 into 6 factorial?
Similarly, yes. Similarly, this slot can be free. Okay. For
7 ways in which each pocket can be empty. 7.
Suppose when this slot will be free, you will get again 6 factorial. When this slot will be free, 6 factorial. This slot can be free, 6 factorial. This slot can be free, 6 factorial. So 7 times 6 factorial. Yes, please.
We have to find out which one is empty. So how do we find out? There is question like such.
Which one is empty?
Like if there is, as you have told that there is a 7 position and it is answer is 6 factorial, right? So if we have to find out like which one is empty, say like if there is some 6 number empty or 5 number empty, so how we find out that?
Actually, that will be mentioned in your question. How many empty things are there? Okay. If suppose three empty are continuously, then you can consider it as one empty things.
Okay, but the order we don't know the order, sir. No,
you don't know order, but if there is mentioned like 3 slots are continuously empty, then you can consider this whole things as one. I'm saying that.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay, Siva,
previous,
clear? Yes, Rajiv.
Sir, please go to the previous slide, sir.
This one?
We can, sir. Yes, sir. We can also solve it by permutation method, sir. There are 7 places and we have 6 ball. We can arrange in 7 P6 ways.
Okay, see. You are saying 7P6, okay?
Yes, sir.
What will be this?
Factorial,
7P6, that means 7 factorial, that is 7 to 6 factorial. See, why I'm not doing the permutation here? Because see, about the week 5 and all things, we have to focus on mainly counting principle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why I'm doing that. Initially,
one method, sir. Sir, one more method has been given in practice assignments, sir. Perhaps a dummy. We may consider one dummy ball.
That's it. That is the same here. It is same like that.
Yes, means, sir. Yes, sir.
What was the question? Can you tell me?
Question was there was 7 hole and 6 ball. 7 places and we had to arrange 6 balls.
Okay. 7 places and 6 ball. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then how many ways we can do this? Okay.
Number of ways.
Yeah. See. This approach you got it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it. Yes,
this last slot can be empty. Then for this, when last slot is empty, we have 6 factorial. When this second last empty, we have 6 factorial ways. When the third last will be empty, 6 factorial. Similarly, we will get the 7 into 6
yes,
factorial,
sir, yes,
right?
Sir.
So
yes, this time one place will be empty. Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose you have 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now,
yes, sir.
Suppose. Okay. 7 places. Okay, let's do one dummy ball. Okay. For instance, for filling all the 7 places, let us assume there is one dummy ball. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then how many we can do the things? 6 balls we have already plus 1 dummy ball.
Yes, sir.
That means
7 factorial. Yes, sir.
7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is the same as the 7 into 6 factorial, which is same as the 7 factorial. If you are considering one dummy ball, if you will not consider like dummy ball, then you have to consider all the 7 cases like
yes, sir. Yes.
this previous. It's clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, Siva, I think.
So what's the difference between this one and the previous one?
No, not difference. Answer is same. Just this approach is like you can say a shorter approach, or you can say. Okay. See, in the previous one, you got the concept. What I did in the previous one. See, in the previous one, you have to consider all the 7 possible cases, right? Yeah. But in this, if you consider, suppose you have 6 balls and you have 7 slots, just by considering one dummy ball, one imaginary ball, you will have 7 balls. Then to fill the 7 ball in the 7 places, we have 7 factorial ways. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Any doubt? Any activity? I mean, any activity question, any practice question?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please. In which one?
So can you wait for a minute?
Yes, yes, yes.
I have a
Yeah.
doubt, sir. I have a doubt in activity question, question number 3, 5.1.
Oh, so okay. How guys? I mean, how was your qualifier papers? I'm asking all of you.
Sir, it was good.
So good.
It was easy, but a lot of silly. I did a lot of silly
Yes,
mistakes.
sir. Silly mistakes are like.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
just
mistakes.
that's why in the revision.
There was they asked about incorrect option, and I understood that they are
Correct
asking
option.
about correct option. So I got the wrong one.
Actually, in the revision session, I told you like just we will check just concept. I mean, there was not too much calculation except correlation one. All the calculation was easy. You see. Third question you asked, Junak, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, Rohan packed. So okay, first tell me what was your approach to this question? I mean,
Sir,
yes.
so when I solved this question, according to me, the answer should be 20.
20, but
Yes,
given
sir.
answer is 40. I don't know how.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
see. In the question, if you see, Rohan packed 4 shirts, 5 pants, and a sweater. Okay, for his school trip. And for each outfit, he need to wear a shirt and a pant, right? And after that, he decide whether to wear the sweater or not, right?
Okay, sir.
See, we can consider the case like, see, when he wear the sweater, suppose not wear the sweater, okay? It can be a case because for each outfit, he need a shirt and a pant. After that, he decide to wear the sweater or not. Suppose
sir.
he did not wear the sweater, then how many ways will be there? 4
Sir,
for
4.
shirt and 5 for pant. That means 20 ways.
Yes, sir.
Right? Case 2. He decided to wear the sweater.
Sweater.
Right? 4
sir.
ways for shirt and 5 ways for pant. And how many ways for sweater?
1.
1. That will become again 20.
Yes, sir.
So for he has to decide whether he can wear the sweater or not wear the sweater. So he has 2 options. If he use the outfit with the sweater, then he has 20 ways. Or when he did not wear the sweater, again it will have 20 ways. Total ways will be
40.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Now I got it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, anybody? Any question? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Audible.
This week you will not have a lot of questions because the syllabus was less and it was simply counting. So
Sorry?
this week you might not get a lot of questions.
Okay, why?
Yeah, it's like less syllabus, right? I have a doubt in graded assignment thing that I don't remember the last time how I did it. I got some idea of it, but now I'm like totally clueless about that question. It's like it can't be discussed.
Okay, for graded one, I can say only one thing: just try and do before due date. Our statement will be same. Okay, so just try and all.
I will tell that graded assignment this time has been the easiest of all graded assignments in statistics.
See,
from first
the
one,
less
apart from
syllabus
this one.
is in only week 5. Okay, from week 6 onwards, you will get more. because in week 6 you have 2 practice assignments. I think 3 practice assignment, 2 is regarding EMQ.
There is, sir,
In EMQ,
EMQ, sir. Sir, there is negative marking. I have received a mail regarding
yes,
the
yes,
EMQ.
yes, yes. There is negative marking, and for the, I mean, what are whole criteria for related to negative marking? Just go in this graded assignment part 2. Okay, you will have this. Please click here to know about the grading pattern. You will know what is the criteria regarding negative marking. This is only in EMQ, not whole graded assignment. This is only this particular EMQ. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So, sir,
Okay.
it will consider in the next term, I mean, coming term quiz also.
No, in quiz there will not be negative marking. See, here we are doing like that because see, EMQ is like you will get more idea, more clarification when to use permutation, when to use combination. See, sometimes what happened, suppose I give a question, you understood and solve that question, okay, but you did not know what are the required steps you are applied, whether events are simultaneous, whether there is without replacement, where you are doing the things, their order matters or not. So these all concepts will be clear through the EMQ pattern. Okay, don't worry about this. Just read the things. And for instruction how to submit the EMQ assignment, I mean text file and all things, you have to go in this week 4. There is a section like I mean video instruction related to bonus practice assignment. You watch this and you will get idea how to submit the things, and just attempt and submit before the due date. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, anything else? Any question and all things regarding week 5?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Karthik.
Sir, I don't have question regarding the subject, but it's about the course actually. Can I ask, sir?
Okay, you can ask. If I know, then I will ask.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
The doubt I have is, you know NPTEL, right?
Okay.
NPTEL also provides the course just like IITM only. That's what even IITM is doing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now in qualifier exam, suppose let's say I get three subjects only. I mean 3 courses.
Mm-hmm.
So will I be able to finish my? I mean, like, can I take the credits from NPTEL courses? Like, can I apply it for privately?
Yeah, Karthik. I think this type of question will handled by support team. Okay. Please ask, or you can mail to the support team regarding.
No, sir. Okay. I'll ask them.
Okay.
Like,
Yes,
can you
yes.
tell me how to ask them actually?
Just
like,
mail to support team. There is an email ID support@online degree.it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Is there any contact number or anything like that, sir? Like
Contact
person.
Mailing them is more better. Like contacting them, they won't live. So mailing them is better.
Yeah,
but maybe I can answer your question. I mean, like, can you repeat it once? I can try.
See, one second. Listen to me. You, any one of you have question regarding this week 5 activity and all things? If you have, then we can discuss, and rest of the things we can discuss in the last.
Sir, can you give a general overview of how to approach?
Sir, okay, sir. Now some person has told that he can answer. No, can you, bro? Can you just put your number in the chat box? I'll at least text you after the class.
Yeah. Okay. Who has asked?
Sir, can you,
yes, please. Yes,
sir,
please.
can you give general overview of how to approach the permutation combination problem? Because I'm getting a little confused as to when to use the factorial.
See, factorial is nothing but, see, what is the factorial? Factorial is nothing but you have, suppose, n, okay? Then you can do like n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on. Suppose you are going to 3 into 2 into 1, then you will get the n factorial. That's it. Meaning of the factorial is this. Okay? Suppose I'm saying previous one example. I have 4 slots and I have to fill these 4 slots by the 4 balls. Okay. Then how many ways I can do? 4 factorial. That means 4 for the first slot I can fill by the 4 balls, right? And For the second slot, I can fill by the 3 balls. For the third, I can fill by the 2 balls, and for the fourth, I can fill by the 1 ball. That means which is the same as the 4 factorial. See, one thing you have to remember or keep in mind is it you have to just be clear whether you are using with replacement or without replacement. Okay, suppose I'm saying you have to make 4-digit password of alphabetic, suppose by using the uppercase alphabetic with replacement. Okay, then with replacement, suppose without replacement, then for the first place, how many ways I can fill this first place?
26.
26. For the second place, how many ways?
26.
20.
With replacement is 25.
25. How? Why? Because there is without replacement. Without replacement means which the word, I mean the word or alphabets which we have used at the first place, we cannot use it again. I mean either on the second, third, or fourth place. Okay. Similarly, 2 alphabets we have used. For the third place, how many ways we have?
24.
24. For the third place, how many we have?
23.
So, okay, this is for the without replacement. Suppose I'm asking, instead of without replacement, question is like, we can make the password by using the uppercase alphabet when repetition is allowed. Means I can use all the alphabets again and again. That means for the first place, how many ways we have?
26.
26. For the second?
26.
For the third? For the fourth?
26.
That's it. These things you have to keep in mind.
No, the thing is like conceptually is understood. When a problem is given, where to start and how to proceed.
See,
that sort of thing.
what is this? So we can, I mean, we can think think for how to solve after seeing the question. You know what I'm saying. See, suppose what are the questions saying? What is the objective of the question? Accordingly, we have to proceed. Okay. Any question? If you have doubt, if you are facing any, I mean, problem in any question, so tell me. We can discuss.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sure.
So I have a doubt in one question.
Yes, please.
So the question is from practice assignment.
Okay. In which?
Sir,
Just
I think so the question says after refreshing. Yes, sir. So Rahul one, that fourth one.
Oh, I have refreshed. Okay. Let's one second. It has gone. Can you put it on this one, Rahul one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay, tell me. I mean,
So
did you try this one or?
Yes, I tried, but I can't find my answer.
Okay, what is the question? Rahul has a gift voucher with which he can buy 1 item or 2 items of different category. Okay, there are 10 formal shirts, 15 casual. Let me create it. Okay, 10 formal shirt, right? Just tell me the
Okay, sir.
10 formal shirts.
So
and
10 formal, 15 casual shirts,
15 casual shirt,
10 formal pants,
10 formal pants,
15 casual pants.
Okay, these are the things he can choose from. What are the number of ways, number of different ways in which Rahul can use the gift? Okay, see, he can buy 1 item or 2 items, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's proceed with, see, there is case. You have to consider number of ways for one item, then you have to add by the number of ways with the two different category, right? Two items of the different category. You got?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, see, when he, he buy only one item, then number of ways he can buy a casual shirt or formal shirt. How
Yes,
many
sir.
ways is there?
So 10 into 15.
No. Only I'm asking about number of. See, what is the question? We are considering only one item. Okay. Suppose number of ways to purchase a formal shirt. How many ways is? How many ways is there?
10.
Okay. Number of ways to purchase a casual shirt.
15.
Number of ways to purchase a formal pant.
10.
10. Number of ways to purchase a casual pant is
15.
Okay. See, what is the question? He can buy one item from these options. Okay. So to buy one item, how many ways is there? 10
plus
15 plus 10 plus 15. That means for purchasing one item, he can purchase either a formal shirt or a casual shirt or formal pant or a casual pants. That means how many ways is there total? 50.
50.
Now we have to consider where Rahul can buy two items. Okay. But if you see in the question, two items of different category, that means he cannot buy two formal shirt, two casual pant, not one formal shirt, then one casual shirt, right? Two items of different category. You have to consider this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Different category means you got the concept, different category.
Yes, sir. Now we have to go for one
by one.
One by one.
Okay. What?
Yes,
see, what will be there? Suppose I'm saying, so just tell me how many 10 formal shirt. Okay. 10 formal shirt, 10 casuals, 15 casual shirts, 10 formal pant, and 15
casual pants.
Okay, let's suppose he buy one casual shirt and one, let's say, formal shirt. Then how many ways he can do?
Sir, 15 in 10 into 15.
Casual shirt we have 15 into 10, right?
Into 10.
That means 150. Okay.
150.
Second can be one casual shirt and one, you can say, formal pant.
Formal pant.
That means 10
15.
into 10. No.
No, sir. 10 into 15.
10 into 15. Okay. Again, it will become 150.
150.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, I can do one casual shirt and one casual pant.
Yes, sir. 15 into 15.
15 into, that
15.
means 225. Right? Now,
yes,
can I do one, you can say, formal shirt and one formal pant?
Yes, sir.
Right? That means
10
into 10.
Yes, sir.
That means 100. Now, different next can be one formal shirt and one casual pant.
Casual pant.
Right?
Yes, sir.
That means it will be 10 into 15. That
15.
means 150. Next can be one for, you can say, casual pant.
And one formal. And
one formal pant.
Yes, sir.
Because one casual pant, we have one formal shirt for the previous one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, he had to buy just two items of different category. So casual pant is the different category and formal pant is the different category, right?
Different category.
Then it will be 10 into 15. That means 150.
150.
I think these are the total possible cases. So
yes,
you have to add this one: 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 600, 700, and 925. Yeah, this total is 925, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
These are the for two items, and 50 is the for the one item. So 92 plus 50 will be 975. Why I am adding these things? Because in the question it was asking or, means N1 ways for the one item and N2 ways for the two items. So N1 or N2 is N1 plus N2. Here, if you see, I did multiplication because we have to do and means one casual shirt and one formal shirt. One casual shirt and one formal shirt. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Okay.
what is the main of the or if there's an and? Okay, we can.
Sorry?
There's a clause like an and or or.
Mm-hmm.
So I just want to understand for and or clause.
Clause?
I
In
mean,
this particular?
there's a condition like or and one.
In this particular question?
No. Normally.
Okay, normally. If you remember the lecture video which I discussed by ma'am, suppose you have 4 sort, okay, right? And what is this? Okay, see, 4 shirts and 5 pants. Okay. Now, suppose I'm saying I can choose one cloth, either a shirt or a pant, right? That means we have in total, see, you in how many ways you can choose a shirt?
4 ways.
And in how many ways you can choose a pant?
5 ways.
But I'm saying you can choose either a shirt and either a pant. That means 4 plus 9. You have 9 things out of which you can choose either a shirt. That means these are the total number of ways in which you can choose either a shirt or a pant.
Okay.
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 Suppose I'm saying I have to choose a shirt and a pant. Right? That means how many ways I can choose a shirt? 4 ways. And how many we can choose a pant? 5 ways. It's AND operation. That means 20. Let's move. Suppose I have 2 shirts. Okay. And let's say 3 pants. Okay. Suppose I'm saying I can choose a shirt and or a pant. That means I have 2 shirts, right? I have 3 pants.
Right.
1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Pant. That means P. Okay. Then I can choose a shirt in 2 ways.
Right.
I can choose a pant in 3 ways. I have in total how many we have? 5. Okay. I can, so okay, it will be 2 plus 3, 5 ways in which we can choose a shirt or a pant. Right now, suppose I can say and. In AND operation, it can be like suppose this is S1, S2, this is P1, P2, and P3. Okay. Now, can I write S1, P1 when I am saying we have to choose a shirt and pant? Okay. I can write S1, P2, S1, P3, S2, P1, S2, P2, S2, P3. I can choose.
Yes.
Suppose I'm saying you have to choose a shirt and a pant. Okay. Then you can choose any one of these 6.
One of this, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That means what is this? 2 into 3.
3.
That means you can choose a shirt and
pant.
A pant.
Okay.
Got it?
So,
Got it, sir.
Yes.
Can we conclude that and means here is a multiplication, right?
Yes.
Okay. And or means plus, right?
Plus. That's why these things are explained.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Any question? I think you people got the concept of week 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any question? Then you can ask. Otherwise, we can.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Archie.
I had a doubt regarding the qualified exam.
Okay.
So there was this question number 88, which was regarding the relation between GDP and birth rate.
Okay.
So the correct answer that is in the mark scheme is negative linear relation. But I think, yeah.
Yes.
But I think the better answer would be no linear relation.
Actually, have you attended the session
I
on
could not.
Monday?
Yeah, I could not attend that session. That is why I raised this doubt.
Okay. You can rewatch. Actually, Ishan sir discussed whole qualifier paper in that session.
Yeah, but not. There was not much talk about this question. I also posted this on the group, but there was no reply to the. So that is why.
Okay, we will check.
I watched this video later. Oh, okay.
What is this? Hello, sir. Can you please in how many ways can you arrange the alphabet of English few words to form all? Okay, okay. I will come. Pradeep, 1 second. Yeah, there is. See, you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
So the last session, which was on Monday, was not showing in my calendar. Today itself, I was able to see that, and I just missed.
Okay, no worry about it. So you can recheck and you can watch on YouTube. See, this one is the question, right? Okay. See, who is this? Please mute. Okay, see, if you draw a scatter plot, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you will get the negative.
Yes, sir, negative.
You will get, see, if you see, Ishan sir has explained, there is a increasing and decreasing things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So
See,
I
when,
wrote. Yeah,
when,
please.
see. When its GDP is increasing, birth rate is decreasing.
Correct, sir.
Right? When
Yes.
the GDP is decreasing, your birth rate increasing.
Correct, sir.
When
So,
X variable is increasing, Y is decreasing, another one is decreasing, then it will give to negative. And you can
Correct,
do
sir.
by the scatter plot also.
So this is a -1, but it is not a linear relation, sir. Because using those 4 characteristics of association, there was this direction which is downwards negative. Then the variation that is tightly bound, and there were no
Okay,
outliers.
one second. Just tell me these observations. Okay, one second.
Yes, sir.
$40,000, 40,000.
Yes, sir.
And then 3,100. Okay. 8,000 and 9,600. Okay.
Yes,
now,
sir.
Next observation you have 1.78, 1.57, 1.57 and 3.67, 2.85.
Sir, in my paper, this question was multiple choice, and I chosen 2 options. But the answer is only one is given, that is GDP is something response variable. I didn't get the answer. How is that possible?
MSQ will be there. MSQ will be there.
Yes, sir, it was MSQ, but how it's possible that only one variable is GDP?
No, it was, let me check the question. See, if you draw a straight line, no, it's not a good thing. If you draw a line, right, then you will get this decreasing.
Correct, sir. But sir, from the first look, we can also see there's a curve that would fit better, like more like a hyperbolic curve.
See.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yes.
So
find the correlation. It would take 1 second, less than 1 second.
Yeah, I did all of that. In fact, I posted this on the forum itself. I've also posted the 2 graphs, one for the curve fit and one for the linear fit. And the R squared. Yes,
you have posted already, right?
Yeah, but there was no reply to that.
We will check.
Sir, can you find the correlation, please, in the same sheet?
Yeah, so
data set. It's a matter of seconds. Yeah, correlation. Yeah.
Yes, you can calculate it. It will give a negative correlation. That's it.
So the correlation gives that the line of best fit is a good approximation, but it does not tell that it is the best approximation for the scatter plot.
See,
In fact, I found the curve and it had
Okay,
the
okay.
hard
I have solved this question with this correlation method and I got negative and I put the negative option correct. My question was
Yeah.
correct, but is my approach was correct or wrong?
Yeah, approach is correct. You
Because
got
correlation tells how the cluster of points are scattered around the line.
See, what is the meaning of no linear relationship? Can you tell me? Like that.
0.
This one. When your correlation is 0, then you will say there is no linear relationship.
No linear
Okay,
relationship.
so what if the relation is quadratic? Is it a linear relation?
No, quadratic is another one. Correlation is used for the linear. See, correlation is something which tells you the linear association between the two numerical variables.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. But the question is,
numerical values are provided. How can you get the quadratic relation? I can't get it.
Yes.
You can get a quadratic, sir.
See, what you can get the x plus y square whole square, x plus y whole power 4. But suppose you have only two variables and numerical values are there. Okay, then
yes,
I have to question it like you have to find the correlation between them. Then I'm calculating the correlation coefficient and find suppose 0.80. Then I will say there is something strong and positive linear association between these two variables. That's it.
So I'm not denying the fact that it is not a negative relation, but I think it's not a linear relation. That is why I chose.
No, see, that's why I draw this diagram. No linear relationship. This is something, this kind of things.
So even a quadratic will be a no linear relation. Quadratic is also no linear. Even a cubic would be a no linear relation.
I think.
So
yeah,
if you could open the forum, I have given the entire. So please.
Okay, you have posted on forum, right? Okay.
Yes, sir, but someone has marked the question to be answered, so I think no one will now look at it. So that is why I'm asking you if you could open the forum right now.
Okay, I will check it. In forum.
I think here the linear relationship is more to do with not the line fit. I think it is more to do with how the response variable reacts to the explanatory.
Then the option should have been negative relation, positive relation, right? There should be no mention of linear word.
No. See, there is no linear association means what? That your curve is like this. Your curve is like that. No linear association.
So the option then should not be.
You were asked about
this is no relation. So this graph would be no relation. There is no relation. No linear relation means that there is not a straight line that can. That there would be no straight line. The scatter plot that you just showed, that shows that there is no relation. Not even a linear, not even a quadratic, not even a polynomial, not even exponential.
Okay. I got your things. Just right. I got your what you are trying to say. Actually, just listen to me. Why option was like that? See, in the previous one, it was asking about explanatory and response. Okay. Yes. This was in context of the actually correlation.
So then for the correlation, we don't require the graph. It could have straightforward said what we can conclude about the data. It said
one more thing. By the scatter plot, you know, in the lecture video, I might clearly explain. By the scatter plot, you can get a quick idea whether it is variables are linearly increasing or decreasing, right?
Yes, sir. That is why I also mentioned that in that video, it was said that we need to have the 4 characteristics: direction, curvature, variation, and the outliers. The direction is negative. There is no, the variation is tightly clustered. There are no outliers, and the curvature is a curved graph. That is why it should be no linear relation. It is a negative relation, but I believe it's not a linear relation. It's a negative, some curved relation. And this I've mentioned in the forum as well. And R squared for that, it is 0.99, whereas for the line, it is 0.81. So it's a better fit for a curve. And I've given
no worry, Archit. I will look to forum 1. Okay, and we will.
Okay.
So you have put both graphs. You are saying, 2 graphs, right?
Yeah. I've put one and one for the linear one as well. Okay,
we will look into it and we will respond. Okay, what or you got what I'm saying? No association and negative.
I completely understood.
Okay.
Because
then. We will look into that and we'll respond. Okay, no worry about that.
All right.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you. Yeah. Anybody else? Any question? So you can ask. Otherwise, we can.
Sir, well, one general query. I can't access the forums for since week 1. I have emailed support team in week 1 itself, but I didn't received any
Forum
reply.
discussion forum, right?
Yeah, that discussion Google Groups link. When I click that link, it is saying access denied, and I have emailed with all relevant screenshots, but the support team didn't reply to me.
Okay. So just
can you please
okay.
forward?
Yes. Okay. What is your email ID?
Sir, I have sent you.
Okay, just
Zoom chat.
yes.
You can check.
Okay. I will tell the.
I can't access since 4 weeks, sir. Please forward.
Okay. I will. No worry about that. I will do. Okay, then if you have question, then we can proceed. Otherwise. I think we can close session, right?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. General query about how to proceed further. I just wanted to know that we are not currently done with the registrations for the further foundational course, but we still have the courses, the graded assignments available till week 6 of most of the courses.
Mm-hmm.
It is mandatory to submit all the graded assignments till week 6, or
Yeah. It will be advisable to submit all the things before the due date. Okay.
Yes, I have done the two of the graded assignments of 2 courses and I've submitted them. But I just wanted to understand that is it mandatory, because the registrations would start. The dates for the registration are from 13th of June, and the graded assignment for week 5, the deadline is 10th of June.
The registration for after qualifier.
No,
right?
the results are on 10th June and the registration starts from 11th.
Actually, I'm not getting your question.
So, like the number of courses we can take depends on the qualifier score.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure that I will be able to take all the 4 courses for the next term. But still, if something.
See, till the result be out and all things, please proceed with, I mean, as usual, I mean, submit the week 5 graded and week 6. Suppose you qualified the qualifier, right? Then
yes,
and you did not submit the week 5 and week 6, then it will be harmful or okay. So just do the usual things, and after the result, you idea how to.
Thank
okay,
you.
then thank you. Yes, please. Yes.
So that same question, that GDP is a response variable. How only one variable is an answer? Because we are getting a negative linear relationship.
No. What is the question? In the question, it was asking about you have to choose the correct options, right? First option was country is the explanatory variable, which is wrong.
Yes.
Next is GDP is the explanatory variable, which is also wrong. GDP is the response variable, which is the correct option. Again, it is saying birth rate is the response variable. It is the wrong. Okay. So see, you have two variables, GDP and birth rate, but its question is asking about which one is explanatory and which one is the response variable. In that particular, GDP is the response variable. That is the correct option. That's it.
So as we know, anyone can be explanatory and anyone can be response.
No. You can't. How can you say in general this one is the response? And suppose you are trying to, suppose you have house price, okay, and you have number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and year of the house or location of the house. So location of the house, number of bedrooms, these will be explanatory variable, and response variable will be the house price, because all these things will depend on the your house price will depend on the Location of the house, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms. Right?
Sir, perhaps in this question, it is given that GDP depends on the birth rate.
Yes.
Yes, sir. That's why.
Yes, that's why GDP
X-axis
is the
is
response
independent
variable. Yes.
Yes, sir. And
That the
birth
things
rate
you
is
have to take. Okay.
Hello, sir. In my question, I chosen one correct and one wrong. That means the whole answer will be 0.
Yes, that no partial marking will be there.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, it's clear.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then.
Sir, Pardeepa is asking something in chat. She has posted 2 times.
What was that?
I
Okay, in
don't
how
know,
many
sir,
ways
it's
you can arrange alphabet of English language if you
It is
were
a part
from
of graded assignment question.
Pratibha, you can unmute yourself. This one is the I think from activity one, right?
Yes, actually, this is not from the graded assignment. This is from the
activity.
Watch the all the lessons. We have to practice some assignments, right? Acting activity questions actually.
Okay, in how many ways can you arrange the alphabet of the English language if you were to form all the words that have 4 alphabets? Okay, see in totally how many words alphabets you have? 26. You have to form the words of 4. That means 26. For the second, that's it.
No, the answer is I think 26 factorial divided by 22 factorial.
Okay. Can you tell me n factorial? Can I write it n into n minus 1 factorial?
Yes.
For 4 factorial, I can write it 4 into 3 factorial.
Yes.
Can I write 4 into 3 into 2 factorial?
Yes.
So similarly, can I write it 22 factorial divided by 22 factorial?
Oh, yes.
So these whole things will become 26 factorial divided by 20. It's clear?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Got it?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, Pradeep, also, but it is a part of graded assignment question, like the
No,
VIP
it's from
password.
activity.
Yes, I know. I understood by the answer of that. It is the first question of assignment 1. And but it is also a part of graded assignment of VIP password, something of that.
Yeah,
sort of.
that is the another thing.
Yes.
Okay. If
Thank
you
you,
have any
sir.
question, then okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Please forward.
Thank you.
Please.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you got the concept and I was able to make understandable to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.